One of the things that I like to do really quickly, usually I'll do this when I'm asking a client how do they want their haircut, and while they're explaining to me, I'll just take my comb and kind of run the comb up the head like so, and I'm looking for scars that the client may have. Sometimes they'll tell you, I've got a big scar in the back, I don't really care if the scar shows, I like my hair short. But sometimes, they haven't had their hair cut short in a really long time, and you might stumble upon a really big scar. At that point, you can chat with the client to see, hey, I've noticed you have a scar back here. Would that be a problem if that is exposed through the haircut? Some people might say, yeah, I don't want to see that scar, so then you'll know to leave the hair a little bit longer. Some people will say, no, I don't care. But at least you gave them the opportunity to ask before you dove in and took the hair really short, exposed the scar, and then they turn around and see it through a mirror in the back, and they're like, oh my gosh, I totally didn't want to see that scar. So one of the things I'll do, like I said, is just kind of check to see if I see any major scars where I know I'm going to go short. Since we're leaving hair longer on the top, I'm not really worried if there's scars on his scalp up here because you're not going to see that. But since we're going to go shorter here, I just wanted to make sure that we don't have any scars.